Welcome back to another video here with SirMaloPerformance. We have Project Resurrect ready to get painted. I have it all prepped up, ready to go. I have to just do a couple little checks here and there. That way I can make sure that I get this job done. Alright, stay tuned. Guys, so we got the primer stage set with this truck. I do need to take it back home, sand it down with some fine 1500 grit, maybe some 2000 afterwards, but 1500 should be more than enough. I got everything nice and primered so I can get it set up for paint, and that would be next week. Kid Alonso's putting on the wheels, a little sneak peek there of what that might look like. I'll be sure to post something on Instagram. But for the most part, if you're watching this video, you saw the picture already. Thank you for hopping on and checking this video out. But this is pretty much my primer setup job. So next week or next weekend, I'll have my paint set up. So stay tuned for that. I gotta scuff this bad boy, scuff some bumpers, and go from there. But for the most part, I gotta get this bad boy on its four wheels, take it back home. I would appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel. I'd appreciate the support. Again, thank you. Take care. Peace.